Understanding the phrase, "in calm waters," a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, "in calm waters." This idiom is used metaphorically in English, and understanding it can really add depth to your language skills. Let's dive into the calm waters of this phrase together. In calm waters is an idiom that means being in a situation that is peaceful or without trouble. It often suggests a sense of stability or ease. Imagine a sea that is calm and smooth. It represents a situation where there are no disturbances or difficulties. The origin of "in calm waters" can be traced back to nautical or maritime contexts. Sailors prefer calm waters as they indicate safety and ease in navigation. This phrase metaphorically extends this idea to life situations, suggesting that being in calm waters is akin to experiencing a trouble-free period. Let's look at some examples of how to use this phrase. 1. After a tumultuous year, the company is finally in calm waters. 2. Since resolving their misunderstandings, their relationship has been in calm waters. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of imagery to the sentence, suggesting peace and stability. Similar phrases include smooth sailing, implying an easy and untroubled path. All plain sailing, another nautical term suggesting straightforward, untroubled progress. These variations can be used interchangeably with "in calm waters" in most contexts. And that's a wrap on "in calm waters." I hope this video helps you understand and use this beautiful English idiom effectively in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep sailing through the fascinating ocean of English, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. Until next time, happy learning!